Chainsaws roar against the dawn. Sunlight creeping, eyes just drawn. Leather gloves, we buckle strong, breaking limbs where they belong. Ashes slice the morning air, muscles ache, nerves laid bare. Every branch a twisted snare, dangerous work but we don't care. Viking tree, we cut it down, roots and crowns, we own this town. With our might, no tree can stand in the shadow of our hand, of our hand. Climb the heights without a fear, nature's beasts we hold dear. Fallen timber we steer clear, loud and true our anthem here. Sweat and dirt, a badge of pride, forests echo far and wide. Conquering green, we won't hide, in the wild we reside. Mighty pines kiss the ground, with our force they won't rebound. Broken trunks, a cracking sound, Viking tree